Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify and the bell icon if there is new update. Take note, this manual is intended for those employees who have the authority to create PHIC payroll. In this menu, which is PHIC Payroll Registry, you can edit, show details in every group, class, and print payroll and PHIC breakdown. You need to have the authority first before you can proceed to this menu. Navigate to My Other Payroll, to PHIC Share, to PHIC Payroll Registry. Take note, you can also navigate to the main page expandable menu buttons. To navigate, click My Other Payroll drop-down list will be visible. Click PHIC Share and continue to select PHIC Payroll Registry from the drop-down list. How to edit information under Show Details. Step 1. Select specific payroll year, month, group, class, either medical or non-medical, or department from the drop-down list. Step 2. Select a specific record that you want to show the individual details to edit information. Step 3. Click Show Details if you want to view the individual details for you to edit information. Step 4. Select a specific record of employees that you want to edit. Step 5. Click the Edit button for you to edit the existing record of employees. Take note, with H tax percent and bus tax percent are the only fields that are editable. When you input an amount in both tax percent, tax amount will be automatically calculated. Step 6. If you don't want to save edited information, click Close button. Step 7. If you want to save edited information, click the Save button. Note, pop-up verification will be visible that the information has been saved. Step 8. Click OK button to go back to main page. Step 9. Click Back to Registry button if you want to go back to Registry header. How to edit in Payroll Registry. Step 1. Select specific payroll year, month, group, class, medical or non-medical, and department from the drop-down list. Step 2. Click Edit button if you want to edit information. Step 3. Click Save button if you want to save updated information. Note, pop-up verification will be visible after clicking Save button. Step 4. Click OK button to go back to main page. How to print PHIC Share Payroll. Step 1. Select specific record that you want to print. Step 2. Click Print button if you want to print information. Step 3. Click Back button to go back to previous page. Step 4. Repeat Step 2 if you want to continue. Step 5. Click Export icon for you to print data. Note, if you click Export icon, expected result export option modal page will appear. Take note, export option pop-up window varies to the browser used by the user for printing. So, expected that if you use different type of browser in printing information, different print setting window or option will pop up. If unit is already connected in specific printer, expected record will be printed. However, there is browser specification like Internet Explorer with updated version and compatible add-on. When you click export icon, automatic export setting window will pop up. Step 6. Click export button in order to print and download the selected file. Note, if you click export button, expected record will automatically download the selected file format. Basically, in Firefox browser, in order to view downloaded file, you need to click View Download of the browser to view downloaded file. Step 7. Click View Downloads in order to download and print the selected file. Step 8. Select specific file in order to open and print. Step 9. Click the selected file to open and print. Step 10. Click Print icon in order to print file. Step 11. Click Print button for you to print file. Take note, process flow on how to print PHIC payroll is the same process on how to print PHIC breakdown. The only difference is that the report view of PHIC payroll is for the group class type that you have selected in registry header, while the report breakdown show the breakdown of medical and non-medical for job order, regular and casual employees. And it shows the overall number of share, gross amount, share and overall total. Thank you for watching.